Hello everyone. Today I am going to solution or giving the solution of paper forensic science paper 2 December 2009. I am Dr. Aini. This paper contains 50 objective type question, each question carrying 2 marks. First chemical examiner laboratory in India was established in Madras. Fingerprint examination is associated with first, second, and third. Malpighi, Hans Gross, Galton. Match the following: A.S. Curry, poison examination, Goddard, forensic ballistic, Cheryl, fingerprint, Hilton, document examination. They control soil sample for matching the incriminated soil sample of foot print should be collected from about 2 to 3 inches away from footprint. Physical evidences at the scene of crime should be collected in the presence of two independent witnesses. Numerical aperture of a lens in a microscope is represented by n sin theta. Absorption A vacuum is maintained in electron microscope. Vacuum impedes movement of electrons. A is true but R is false. Hidden metallic object can be detected by hard X-ray. Blumner is used as detector in IR spectrophotometer. Arrange the following type of chromatographic examination in the increasing order. Second, column chromatography. First, GLC. Fourth, HPLC. Third is HPTLC. RH antigen in blood is known and D antigen. Cellular protein in blood are the following: first and fourth, PGM and GC. Exhaustion A, vomited blood is acidic in reaction. Reason are it is due to action of gastric juice. A is true but R is false. Arrange the following method: blood examination in decreasing order. Fourth, DNA analysis. First, protein enzyme estimation. Second, prescription test. Prescription participation test. Third, crystal test. Match the following: Mn red cell antigen, ESD red cell isoenzyme, GC gas chromatography, GC serum protein, HLA-WBC. Alteration of gasoline with kerosene oil can be detected by GLC. Di diacetyl morphine is used to Diacetyl morphine is also named as heroin. Match the following: heroin junk, marijuana pot, amphetamine of phencyl phencyclidine, angle dust. Botulism is a form of food poisoning. Arrange the following with increasing quality of THC in cannabis sativa. Second, bhang. First, ganja. Third, charas. Fourth, hashish oil. The usual barrel length of a carabine is 12 inch. The improvised cylinder in a shotgun is having the following type of construction at a muzzle end of the barrel 1/1000 inch. A Johnson diameter of chamber in a firearm slightly greater than the diameter of cartridge to be fired. Region R. It accommodates the expansion of the cartridge case firing during the firing process. Both A and R are true. Walker test of gunshot residue is done to detect the presence of nitrite, PTN pentyethritol, erythritol tetranitrate. Seminal fluids contain one of the following content: prostaglandin. Exhaustion A. Cloth stained with semen should be dried properly before dispatch for forensic analysis. Reason R. Dyeing will facilitate fungal with bacterial growth. A is true but R is false. Match the following: vegetable fiber, hemp, animal fiber, fur, metallic fiber, asbestos, artificial fiber, acrylic. The cross section of human male beard hair is triangulation shape. Casein is present in milk. The wave-like fracture in glass sheet is found by heat. And the examination method of soil in proper order. D is correct. Second, physical analysis. Fourth, color. Third is density distribution. First is thermogravimetric technique. The oldest liquid ink is China ink. The following percentage of line matching is the criteria of positive matching in striation tool mark 60% and above. The examination of gate pattern include first size of footprint, second step length, third are correct, third walking line. Celeoscopy is the study of leaf print. Match the following: 7 to 8 years, RME of pubic unit, 10 to 12 year, pisiform ossifies, to 30 to 40 years, lateral epicondyle of humerus unit, by 23 year, sacral vertebrae unit. Exhaustion, a decomposed bone lose weight and become fragile. Reason are due to loss of organic matter. Both A and R are true. Gustafsson method is used for determination of the following in human being age. Blueprint can be identified on the basis of the following. First, size. Third, wear and tear mark. Fourth, sole design. The portable age of ink can be determined with the following method. First, diffusion chloride ion. Second, diffusion on sulfate ion. Fourth is oxidation of ferrous into ferric ion. Match the following: castor oil, water, onion juice, heat, starch, iodine vapor, lead, salt, ammonium sulfate. Ink can be removed from the paper of TLC by hypodermic needle. Composite pattern of fingerprint comprises of central pocket loop, twin loop. Ninhydrin develops latent fingerprint by reaction with amino acid. Cadaveric spasm in the hand holding a pistol in a sign of murder. Adipocytes is seen in the dead body in the following condition: shallow and moist palace. The antemortem drowning. The following evidences are found. First, clenching of moss, grass and muddy material. Second, fourth in the mouth. Fourth, presence of diatom in bone marrow. Neonaticide is the deliberate killing of a child within 24 hours of its birth. These are the forms of sexual preservation: sadism, masochism, exhibitionism.